Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I am back in Atlantic City, this time at the beautiful Ocean Casino Resort. Now, if you've already seen my full property tour of the Ocean, which was uploaded a couple weeks ago, you know this place is one of the crown jewels of the boardwalk. But today we're going to keep things simple. This video is all about a room tour as well as a quick overview of the pools. Today I'm in room 2705. Being that that's an odd number, I'll be facing the Inlet, the Brigantine Inlet with the quaint little town of Brigantine, New Jersey across the water. If it was an even numbered room, it would be facing the boardwalk and the hotels and casinos. So it depends on what kind of mood you're in. If you feel like chilling out and having a nice peaceful view, then odd numbers are your game of choice here at the Ocean. And of course, if you want the excitement of the boardwalk and hotels and casinos, then get an even number room if you can. Ocean's standard room are some of the nicest rooms in Atlantic City. They're clean, modern, and spacious. You've got floor-to-ceiling windows with incredible views of either the city, like I said, or the Inlet, or both if you're lucky. The design is sleek and minimal, lots of blues and whites, keeping that ocean vibe going. I am all the way down the end of the hallway. I think there's a stairwell next to me. Stairwells are always good. A lot of people for some reason try to avoid them. They're typically quiet unless there's an emergency, and if there is an emergency, well, it's nice to know that stairwell's right next door. Alrighty, so it looks like I was off on that stairwell thing. There is a room between me and the stairwell, but I'm not expecting too much noise tonight. However, I will say the walls in this hotel are kind of thin, but it really hasn't been an issue in the past. Right by the door is a full-length mirror. You can check yourself out before you head down to the club or the casino or the restaurant. You never know if your fly's open or something. With the exception of the one-bedroom suite, I'm pretty sure I've stayed in all of the usual hotel rooms here at the Ocean Casino Resort, including the studio suite, and all those videos are available here on the New York channel if you want to check out what else Ocean has to offer besides this room, which is a standard king non-smoking. I believe most of the rooms here at the Ocean Casino Resort have been converted to the new blue room. I call them new, they've been around for about a year, but the hotel's been slowly renovating all the rooms to this new style here, and it's quite nice. And the blue is spelled B-L-U, B-L-U room. The workstation is nice, it's comfortable, it's large, and it's got plenty of outlets, and it's well lit. Hey guys, as always, if you're enjoying the videos here on the New York channel, why not subscribe if you haven't done so already? It's super easy. Just click on that little New York logo in the lower right hand corner of the screen. It's free to subscribe and you get lots of cool content. Also, if you enjoy these room tour videos in particular, give this video a thumbs up and share it on your social media. That'll get the video more views and the channel new subscribers. And if you'd like to support the New York channel, why not become a member if you haven't done so already? It's only $2.99 a month. You get a lot of perks, including exclusive videos that only members can watch. And to shout out to the New York channel's newest member, Kenya Ramsey Figueroa. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Thank you for your support, Kenya, and thanks for becoming a new New York member. I really do appreciate that. And a couple shout outs for some super thanks that I received. One from Michael Litterer for the Hard Rock Tour video. He left a super thanks for me there. And again, once again for Richard Hales, who left a super thanks on the Claridge Hotel Tour, an older video on the channel. Richard's been binge watching older videos and that's really cool. Thanks guys, I really do appreciate your support as well. These rooms were getting pretty tired looking, and it's nice to see new art on the walls, new wallpapering, new furniture, and new rug, and the look is really nice. The colors are really like ocean and sand, and I think that's pretty appropriate for this place. Lots of outlets on both sides of the bed as well. And speaking of the bed, it was quite comfortable. I got a solid 6 hours sleep, which is pretty much my usual. Unless I'm exhausted, then I might go to 8. Again, a nicely appointed room, plenty of seating. I like the chaise in the corner over there, and lots of storage space as far as drawers and closets as well. Someday I'm going to open one of these safes and find $1 million in it. That is, unless housekeeping gets to it first. I have some really old, cheap luggage, but let me tell you something, it's done a lot of traveling everywhere. Cruises, Vegas, New Orleans, Florida, you name it. That luggage has come along with me and it's held up nicely. I keep saying I gotta buy new luggage, I gotta buy a new, at least a new roll-on, but this one doesn't seem to want to quit, so knock on wood, I might get a couple more years out of it. Who knows? The bathroom is where the ocean really shows off. A nice big shower, marble counters, 2 vanities, which always helps if you're traveling with someone, great lighting, and enough towels to start your own spa. When I stayed at the studio suite, which again is a video here available on the New York channel, there were nice big fluffy terry robes involved, and well, I'm not finding them here in the standard room. There's a separate water closet as well. The toilet bowl's not out in the open, and that's what I call it. I call it a water closet. I don't know where I got that from, if it's a European thing, I have no idea, but what do you call it? Or maybe you just don't have a name for it. Maybe just a toilet in a separate room. Maybe that's what we'll call it going forward. And again, the blue and sand colored artwork is carried through even in here. The shower's nice and big with a built-in bench. Easily can hold 2 people, 4 if you're extremely friendly. Let's see, don't need it. Oh, thank goodness. Even the shower head is spotless like everything else in this room, but it should be. I mean, it's newly renovated. During the daytime, these windows really show off the view here on the inlet side. Not so much to see here at night. If you're on the other side, the even side rooms, you do get to see that beautiful observation wheel as well as all the hotels and casinos lit up at night. But from this side, not so much at night. Except, of course, the reflection from my tiny but very busy GoPro. Alright, let's check out the Eclipse pool now over on the pool and spa deck. Some people say this is the nicest pool in town. It's a tough choice for me between this one. Let's see, there's the pool at Harrah's, which turns into the pool at night when it turns nighttime. And then there's the Borgata pools. There's a beautiful one in the Borgata Tower as well as several beautiful ones over at the MGM Tower at Borgata as well. Tough decision. I do know there's some really crappy pools in town as well. This is an indoor-outdoor pool. No need to get out of the pool. You can enter here and swim through that little doorway and then you're in the outside area. And there's also a hot tub out there as well. There's also an adults only pool, which I believe is right around the corner. I know I have it in another one of my videos. I just don't remember which one it is, but there is an adults only pool here. Not open all the time, so if that's what you're interested in, then I would check with the hotel first. And there's that little doorway. Just swim through that and you're inside again. And here's the HQ2 pool, really a day pool, a nightclub pool, and during those times that it's open, it is usually packed. There's DJs outside and a much younger crowd, if you will. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, this room tour and pool tour of the Ocean Casino Resort. And if you did, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share it on your social media. If you want to support the channel, don't forget, become a member. And don't forget to check out my new channel, Jersey Shore Jeff. It's doing very well. It's not even a week old. It's got almost 300 subscribers. And the second video that I put up, the Nor'easter video, is over 2,000 views already. So channel's doing very well. Make sure you check that channel out and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you around the city.